We are in Backup Exec 2014, and I'm going to show you how to push out the entire Backup Exec server program out to another server. So we've already got Backup Exec 2014 on our server here. We want to make that same thing available on another server. So go to the upper left icon, Installation and Licensing, and click on Install Agents and Backup Exec Servers on other servers. Now from here, we can add a server. We've already got a server that's in this particular list. We're going to go ahead and choose delete that. Let's just go ahead and add it back in again. And this time we're going to choose Semantic Backup Exec Server. Last time we chose the agent for Windows. So we're going to choose the entire program. And we'll put in either the name of the computer or the IP address. I find the IP address tends to work better. Alright, we'll go ahead and click Next. Now you can add a serial number, import a key, or choose nothing. And if you choose nothing, it'll just put the 60-day trial version on. And from here we can put what features we'd like to install onto that server. And we can choose various different device drivers, various different agents. The application and databases is the most common for things like SQL and Exchange and things like that. If you have Hyper-V or VMware, you want to choose that, Linux, deduplication, etc., like that. Go ahead and click Next, and then you want to choose, put in the password, click Next, and you can create a local copy of SQL Express if you want. If you already have SQL installed on there, then you can choose to use an existing installation. It will choose all the way up to 2008. Alright, you can use semantic device drivers. You can use semantic device drivers for tapes that you not already have. You can choose to not use semantic device drivers. Alright, once the validation is complete, you can click Next and Install. Now, if you're doing this over a VPN tunnel, or if you're doing this under a slow connection, then it could take hours for this to complete. If you're right next to it and there's a gigabit connection that you have between the two, then it could take roughly 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so according to this, install has detected an agent on your server. Select another computer. So we've already have the agent installed on this particular computer, which is saying you can't install Backup Exec on one that there's an agent. So in this case, all we'd have to do is just uninstall the agent and then perform the steps once again. Click Next, and then the installation will begin.